There are 44 consonants in Thai, and they're divided into 3 separate classes. This classification is very important as it is the base of the tone rules in the Thai writing system. It's good to memorize which consonant belongs to which class. The middle class consists of 9 consonants.
กอจอดอตอดอตอบอปออ
The high class consists of 11 consonants.
ขอขอฉอถอถอผอฝอสอสอสอหอ
There are 24 consonants in the low class, which are divided into 2 groups, paired and unpaired. The paired low class consonants share initial consonant sounds with the high class consonants, and there are 14 consonants in total.
คอ